Good morning, guys.
Morning.
We are here at Cracker Barrel this morning for breakfast. Before we hit up Water Park, it looks quite busy.
Oh dear.
It's interesting.
And my hair is up ready for Volcano Bay.
So a slight change of plan. The wait in Cracker Barrel was 50 minutes, something like that. 50 minutes, yeah. And so I've never seen the roads so busy as they are today. I know it's the Disney half marathon and all that jazz today, but we decided to come back to, there's no signs outside, ihop, and have a breakfast here. We know what we're getting, we know it's good, we know we're going to get some tasty pancakes. But the roads are absolutely snarled up. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. We'll see what the state of play is after we've eaten breakfast.
Lloyd's got the same as he had before.
Yep.
What is it?
Don't know, the ultimate breakfast or something like that. It comes with pancakes.
Lovely.
Without eggs.
And I've got the Californian scramble, which is like a cheesy scrambled egg with avocado, some sort of tomato sauce, and I got the hash browns.
Look at how amazing that looks. Love it. We've ridden quite a few rides, haven't we?
Yeah.
This afternoon. We're just heading on to the lazy river. What's been your favourite ride, Becky, so far? Yeah.
Followed by
Oh yeah.
No.
Oh no. That was pretty cool.
What about
Just gonna perch here for a moment. My favourite one was I like the aqua coaster the best actually, but I like all the raft rides where you sit down and you do all that. It's all been fun. We're gonna go and get a drink and maybe hit the lazy river. It's the Fearless River, not the lazy river, the Fearless River. Oh no, here's the Winding River rather. Here's a less tame version, I think. Bye, Becky. Come on. Whew. 25 minutes to Krakatoa. So now we've done the Winding River, we're going to find the Fearless River. I don't know where it could be. I'll have to look at the signs. Okay. We found the Fearless River. We're going to be that fearless. What do you think, Becky? Is it going to be that fearless? Oh, right inside the volcano. Wow. Amazing. The aqua coaster.
I hope I don't have to get on the front again because I got blasted in the face.
You will blast you in the face. Oh, a literal blast in the face. Cheers. Look at how beautiful Volcano is at night. Just walking onto the beach to get back to everybody. Oh. They're all chilling out in the water. I just ran back to the locker to grab the GoPro. Running down now. There we go. Look how beautiful that is. And there's everybody in there, running in. Yay! We're going deeper. Getting up to my knees. We've just come up to the bigger pool, deeper pool, where you can see them come through the pipe. The tube. Look at those cabanas. Wow, seeing one of them at night is amazing. Let's go. Here's something underneath the water. Somebody press it. Dive! It's a dive! So for anyone wondering, if you come at like 6 o'clock, you can ride everything and there's no queue. The aqua coaster is closed. They must close it. How bizarre. The Honu dual wall slide? No. Oh well. Do that next time. That was a cool day. Oh, you're gonna get dressed and go to Target. You know how to live it up of an evening. Oh, I think I'll have some food as well, so let's do this. Becky's drinks have arrived. Look at those. You got the Bahama Mama. What's that? One Love and
Goombay Smash.
Goombay Smash. There you go. And the flowers are edible as well. Pretty cool. Me and Ruben just got some beers. Oh yes. Red beer, amber beer.
I made lemonade.
I made lemonade. It's all good. Life is good. They've got a gluten-free menu in here, but it's not that extensive.
So Lloyd, what have you got?
Barbecue, baby back ribs, barbecue, and like fries.
And I think I'm eating Lloyd's coleslaw. Then I've got chicken with mashed potatoes. Looks like sweet potato.
Yeah.
Broccoli. And it's in some sort of a lemony sauce.
Good.
Yummy yumsters.
Hey. So we're back at the apartment now. Sorry there's not a lot of footage from today. Obviously we're at Volcano Bay and you're not allowed to film on the majority of, actually pretty much all of the slides. So there's not a lot, but we managed to do that little bit at the end there, which was really, really nice. We went out to Bahama Breeze, which you obviously saw. That was really fun, and we've just spent the last few hours just chilling here at the apartment, and hopefully going to bed now because we've got a really busy day tomorrow. We're off to the Kennedy Space Center, which we would love for you to join us at. So please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and you get to see tomorrow's vlog. And if you enjoyed today's, how little it may have been, please give it a massive thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.
We're talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment of the good